The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then go to general. The next thing you need to do is to click on translate. Then it's going to take you right here. Translate text into. So you have to make sure you choose a language right here. So here, as at the time of making this video, these are available languages that you can translate whatever text into in your WeChat account. So by default, I'm putting it in English language. So if you are not in English country, you can choose any of these country language right here. This tutorial, I'm going to put it in English. Then click on back. Finally, for auto translate message received in chat, make sure you click on here to turn it on. It's that simple. So each time you are chatting with somebody else, it automatically translates your chat into choosing language right here in WeChat. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.